At number 1, we have the Insta360 8K. Capture your world in stunning 8K 360-degree detail. Every shot is a masterpiece. Its ultralight design and magnetic mounts unlock any perspective, from action sports to your pet's daily adventures. And with the invisible selfie stick effect, you're always the star of the show, with no strings attached. Plus, get superior audio quality for crystal clear vlogs and memories. With over 3 hours of battery life and fast charging, the action never has to stop. Insta360 X5, this is the ultimate camera for creators. What will you create?
At number 2, we have the GoPro Hero 13 Black Action camera. Your ultra-compact adventure companion is here. It's small and lightweight, so it easily fits in your pocket or mounts to any of your gear. Despite its size, it's tough and waterproof up to 16 feet, perfect for snow, mud, or water activities. It keeps things simple. Just frame your shot on the touchscreen and press the shutter. It records sharp 4K video and captures clear 12 megapixel photos, delivering great results without complicated settings. GoPro Hero 13 Black, compact, waterproof, and ready for anything. What will you capture?
At number 3, we have the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Next-gen 1.3-inch sensor and 4nm chip capture crisp low-light details. Dual OLED touchscreens, 4-hour battery, mic direct connection. Built for creators. 360-degree and horizon steady and subject tracking keep action steady and framed. IP68 waterproof to 20 meters, ready for rain, surf, and snow. Essential combo includes mounts, lens covers, and a 1950 mAh Extreme Battery Plus. 4K 120 FPS, 47 GB built-in storage. Subject tracking, leaps ahead of previous models. Did 4.6 to 5 from 2,350 plus reviews. Tap to see more and start creating.
At number 4, we have the GoPro Hero 13 Black, the ultimate upgrade for your adventures. This isn't just a camera, it's your new adventure partner ready for anything. Capture your world in stunning 5.3K detail, more crisp and cinematic than ever before. Nail the perfect group shot every time with the easy-to-use front screen. From mountain biking to deep sea diving, its rugged, waterproof design thrives in any environment. With advanced slow motion up to 13x, you can turn any moment into a dramatic highlight reel. Plus, it's fully compatible with HB series lenses, giving you even more creative control. GoPro Hero 13 Black. Unleash your best shot.
At number 5, we have the DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo. This isn't just another action cam. It's a pocket-sized powerhouse that's ready for anything. So compact, you'll forget it's even in your pocket until you need it. Don't let its size fool you. It shoots 4K at 60 FPS with a large sensor for stunning detail, day or night. And the genius magnetic mounting means you can capture the action in seconds from any angle. DJI Osmo Nano, the ultimate everyday camera, is here.